Good morning students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter number 11, that is algebra, and here we are going to use variables for a common rule, and we will study about the parameter of square where we will use the variable, and for rectangle and we will do the same rule. Now starting with the first parameter of square. Now we know that in the square the length of all the sides of squares are equal, is of equal measurement. Suppose here it is of 2 cm, then all the side of square is of 2 cm according to the property of square. And as here, for taking the variable we can take that length or you can say side of a square is equal to L. Okay, we assume that. Okay, let length or side of a square is equal to L. So here we can write that we can have is equal to L. One side is equal to L, second side L, here L, and here next side L. So all the sides we have same measurement, therefore we have written L for all the sides. Now according to the formula, what do you mean by perimeter? Peri means around, okay, and meter means the measurement, okay, the boundary, okay. So perimeter rule was sum of the length of all the sides. Okay, so when we add all the sides, what we get? We get L plus L plus L plus L. Okay, so here how many times we have added L? We have added 4 times. So here we will write 4 into L. Okay, L is added 4 times, therefore we are writing here 4 into L. And where L is a variable. Okay, here variable means that the value of L is different. Suppose here L is 4 cm. Okay, suppose here L is 4 cm, means all the side is equal to 4 cm. Okay, so here when we write 4 into what is our L here? Here our L is 4. So what do we get? The answer 4 into 4 is 16 cm. Okay, this value of L can vary. Okay, therefore we are writing L is a variable. Okay, now moving next for the parameter of rectangle. Now rectangle property is opposite sides are of equal measurement. Okay, now suppose here we have AB, C, D as rectangle. Suppose AB is of 4 cm, so opposite side is equal, so CD is also 4 cm. If AD is 2 cm, then BC is also 2 cm. Okay, now consider we take same rectangle and this very opposite sides are equal. So suppose this AB is equal to L, so CD is also equal to L. If AD is, what is its breadth? B. If we consider it as a B, then opposite side again it is B, its breadth. Okay. Now again writing the parameter of rectangle. What is the formula here? Sum of the length of all its sides. Sum of the length of all its sides. So when we write as length of AB, so we can write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So what is AB here? AB is, suppose L this and this plus B plus B. So here now you can see that L is how many times? 2 times it's added. Okay, L is added 2 times. So 2L, you can write 2 into L. Okay, plus 2 into B, 2 times B. Okay. Again here you can see that 2 and 2 common. So you can take it out common in the bracket and you can write here L plus B. Okay. So here we have taken L and B as a variable, L for length and B for breadth. Now when we put the value, we are taking the example same here, and let us put the value and find out the answer. What is our L here? Here it is 4 cm. What is B here? It is 2 cm. So let us write down here L is 4 and B is 2. So 2 into 4 plus 2. So what we have? 2 into 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get 12 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle here is 12 centimeter. You can add also. What we have the formula, sum of the length. So you can, when you add, what we get? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10 and 10 plus 2 12. So you are getting the 12 centimeter when you add all the sides. Same when you use the formula here, 2 into L plus B, same answer you will get. Okay. So the rule for perimeter of square is 4 into L and for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, where L is a variable and in rectangle L and B is a variable. Okay. Now next rule, commutative rule of addition of two numbers. Now commutative means, commuting means to interchange. Okay. Now when we interchange, when two number are added and we do interchange, the addition or we can say the sum of the two number does not change. Now how it is possible, we can take an example here. When you write 4 plus 5, what's the answer? It's 4 plus 5 is 9, is equal to 9. And now if we interchange the places of the numbers, that instead of 4 if I write 5 and the place of 5 if I write 4, 5 plus 4, here indeed the answer is 9. Okay. So from this condition you can say that when you interchange the number, the sum of both the numbers does not change. So using this thing, commuting thing, we can say that if we take one number as a variable A and the second number as the variable B and it's the addition, so we can write here same as when A plus B is equal to, if we interchange also the addition remains the same. Okay. It is the thing for all the numbers, or you can say the property is proved for whole numbers. Okay. You can write it as 6 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 6. Okay. Even if you take integers, let us check it out. Minus 2 plus 3. What is the answer here? Minus 2 plus 3 is 1 is equal to 3 plus minus 2. Okay. So this property is true for whole numbers and integers also. Okay. So the rule of commutative property of addition of two numbers is A plus B plus is equal to B plus A. Okay, here A represent the variable and B also represent the variable, which is equal to same here also. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, then here also B is equal to 5 and A will be 4. Okay. Now next, commutative rule of multiplication of two numbers. Here also, when two numbers are multiplied and even if we interchange the numbers, the answer remains the same. Let us check it out. 3 into 5 is equal to 50. Now if we does not change the answer. So if we take here 3 as a variable a and b is equal to 5, so we can write that a into b is equal to b into a. Okay. This property is true for whole numbers, natural numbers, and even for integers. Let us check it out. So whole numbers we have already done. Now if it is minus 5 into 3, what's the answer? Is equal to minus 15. Now if we interchange the number 3 into minus 5, sorry, you will get minus 50. Here also the answer remains the same for a into b is equal to b into a. Even if the numbers are negative. So again, next example we will take minus 6 into minus 7 is equal to plus 42. Okay. Now interchanging the number minus 7 into minus 6, again we will get plus 42. Okay. So commutative rule of multiplication of two numbers is a into b is equal to b into a, where we have used a and b as a variable.